How to fix Grindr registration error. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Grindr registration error. If you are facing registration errors on Grindr, you can follow these troubleshooting steps. First of all, you'll need to open the Grindr application and ensure that you are using the latest version of the Grindr app. You can also go to the Play Store of your device and check for updates. If the update is available, you can simply tap on update and install it. Also make sure that you are entering a date of birth that makes you at least 18 years old. If your birthday indicates you are underage, you will then face this issue. You can also try clearing app cache and data. For that, you will need to open the device settings and in the settings page scroll down to find applications option. Tap on it to open it and inside it here find the Grindr application. Once you find the Grindr application, simply tap on it to open it and inside it here scroll down to find storage option. Tap on the storage option and then here you'll be able to locate clear cache option. Simply tap on the clear cache option at the bottom and the cache will be cleared. If you'd like to clear the data, you may also tap on clear data option at the bottom left and then tap on delete. This will clear all your data and cache. After that, you can close the Grindr completely and then restart it. Also ensure that you have a stable internet connection either through Wi-Fi or mobile data. If you are using any kind of VPN, then try disabling it. If the issue still persists, then you can sign up with your Google or Facebook account instead of using your email. If you have previously tried to register with a specific email address and have encountered errors, then you can try using a different email this time. If you are not able to solve this problem after following all of these ways, then you can reach out to Grindr support by emailing on support@grindr.com. There you will need to include details about your device and error message you are receiving. Once you contact Grindr, you will need to wait for at least 24 hours before trying to register again. So by following these steps, you should be able to resolve registration errors on Grindr and successfully create an account on it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.